Hey everyone, Dr. Magic here with another magic egg. Wow. This egg is pink with red stripes. I wonder what's inside. Only one way to find out. First, we have to crack the egg with our magic hammer. Oh, I think we cracked it. Whoa. I wonder what's inside. Cool. Do you know what kind of animal this is? It has black fur and kind of looks like a bear. This animal is a black bear. Cool. Black bears live in the forests of North America. Let's see where that is on the map. Black bears live right here, right in the forests of North America. Pretty cool, huh? Now, black bears are the most widespread bear in North America. And even though most of them are black, they can come in a lot of different colors. There are brown black bears, there are blonde black bears, there are gray black bears, and there are even some black bears that are totally white. Pretty cool. Do you know what kind of sound a black bear makes? Let's listen and see if we can hear it. Whoa. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Magic's Eggs, to see what's inside other magic eggs. You never know what we'll find.